I got this T51R done for a factory Evo 10. This flare right here, I ended it right there because I didn't know if this guy was going to go with an extended tip billet wheel. I'll go ahead and put the wheel in the housing. You can see that my flare ends about half an inch early. So I can go back and fix that. I can bring it up right in front of the inducer of the compressor wheel. But what I need to know is if you are going to run or in the future may run an extended tip billet wheel. Otherwise, I may as well just leave it the way it is. This is done with the T51R with the extrusions. Normally these covers don't have anti-surge, so I only went 150 on that dimension rather than 200. And and there really was no point in going 200 because the wheel, the inducer was at the end of it. And also you don't really need that. Like all the ones I've done in the past never had anti-surge at all. I went 150 down here to here because of the stock inlet to give it room there, and then you have 150 thousandths spacing between the bigger inlet and the smaller inlet.